Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 927, and that is in continuation of the manufacture of fungicide part 2. In previous lecture I have already discussed some few fungicides, and here I am going to discuss some more, and these fungicides are mainly either thiocarbamate derivatives or tetrapenta chloro-derivative of phenol or aromatic compounds, and they are Eptom, Zenab, and that is Sod. And these fungicides, they are very effective, and some of them they are irritating to our eye and skin and sometimes toxic. So once we are using these fungicides, we should read the direction and caution, and also we should keep away all these chemicals, especially these fungicides what I am going to discuss, all the chloro derivative and thiocarbamate, away from children because they can be poisonous. So the first one what I am giving here, that is Mesurol. So Mesurol, it is 4-methyl mercapto 3,5-dimethyl-N-methyl-carbamate, and can be manufactured by the reaction of 4-methyl mercapto 3,5-dimethyl-phenol with methyl isocyanate in presence of triethylamine. So this is your isocyanate and this is your carbamate, and when these two will react, then you will get Mesurol. And this Mesurol, that is Mesurol, is a crystalline, odorless substance, highly soluble in organic solvents but almost insoluble in water. It is used as broad spectrum insecticide and fungicide for the control of pests of fruits and vegetables. Number 2, Eptom. Actually, Eptom is that is commonly known as EPTC. So Eptom or EPTC is also a thiocarbamate derivative, and it is mainly used as a herbicide. Of course, it is effective to pest also and to fungal growth also. It is mixed in or spray on soil, and while spraying we have to be careful because it is very much irritating to your eye and also it is toxic to your skin. It is S-ethyl NN di-N-propyl thiocarbamate and manufactured as follows: C3H7 twice NH plus C2H5 SCOCl NaOH in bracket C3H7 twice NCOS C2H5, and this C3H7 twice NCOCl again with C2H5 HS, that is thiol compound, it is converted into Eptom, that is C3H7 twice NCOS C2H5. It is highly unpleasant smelling liquid, soluble in most of the organic solvent, and it is mainly used as herbicide to control weeds. So it is in continuation the fungicides, and these fungicides what it is given here, they are all derivative of that is either zinc, manganese and iron carbamate, and they are very powerful fungicides to control apple rust, vegetable leaf, and some other fungal growth on the plant material. So one, that is number 3, Zinab. Zinab, it is zinc ethylene bis dithiocarbamate. So this is the derivative of zinc bis dithiocarbamate, and it is manufactured from aqueous solution of diammonium or disodium ethylene bis dicarbamate. This is your ethylene bis dicarbamate. When it is treated with zinc sulfate, you will get Zinab fungicide. And Zinab is most important fungicide used in agriculture. Number 4, dialate, and it is also commonly known as Avadex. And this Avadex, it is S2,3-dichloroallyl NN diisopropyl thiocarbamate is also another thiocarbamate derivative, and manufactured by treating alkali salts of diisopropyl thiocarbamic acid with 1,2,3 trichloropropylene. So this is your thiocarbamate and this is your trichloropropylene. When these two are treated, you will get dialate, and it is one of the widely used fungicide. Number 5, Ferbam. Ferbam is actually ferric dimethyl dithiocarbamate. Then Zirem. Zirem is zinc diethyl carbamate, and next one is that Maneb. Maneb is manganese ethylene bis thiocarbamate, and they are fungicides belonging to this group, that is known as Ferbam, Zirem, and Maneb, and these are used to control of apple rust, fruit rotting, and leaf diseases of vegetables. So, as I already told you, that these fungicides are mostly either bis thiocarbamate derivatives or chlorinated quinone and chlorinated phenols. They are powerful antifungal. So here number 6 is chloranil, the commonly known as chloranil, and it is actually tetrachlorobenzaquinone, and it is 2,3-dichloro-1,4-naphthaquinone are the most important chlorinated quinones used as fungicides. So these are very important fungicides, and they are actually chlorinated derivative of quinones. Para-benzoquinone on treatment with hydrogen chloride, that is HCl, produces 1,4-adduct, which on oxidation produces tetrachlorobenzoquinone. 1,4-naphthaquinone on similar reaction yields 2,3-dichloro-1,4-naphthaquinone. Zinc trichlorophenate. So zinc trichlorophenate and 2,4,5-trichlorophenilyl acetate are the two most important chlorinated phenols used as powerful fungicides and have been used widely for seed treatment, especially cotton seeds. So cotton seeds are treated with this zinc trichlorophenate, and there are, I am giving the manufacture of 2,4,6-trichlorophenols, and this 2,4,6-trichlorophenols, that is chloro derivative of phenol, is widely used as a fungicide. So here the reaction is given when benzene is chlorinated, then it will become phenol and chlorophenol, then again it is chlorinated, and finally you will get 2,4,6 trichlorophenol. In the B reaction also it is treated with HOCl, it will be quinone, and again with HOCl it will be chlorophenol, and again chlorination finally will give you 2,4,6 trichlorophenol. The C1 is, that is when trichloramine is treated with NaNO2, you will get 2,4,6 trichlorophenol. 2,4,6 trichlorophenol is a white solid, insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents such as acetone and benzene. So with this I will stop, and in next lecture again I will continue the organic fungicide, and that is chloro derivative of phenol, and next one is pentachloro phenol derivative as a fungicide. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.